I did my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering. So I wanted to do masters in computer science. So I wanted to get along with some computer science backed courses. So that purpose, I've researched about which coaching centers are better, which training centers are better. So I'm from Hyderabad basically. So I came across this Besant Technologies, which my friends recommended to me. They said that it's in Bangalore in Marathahalli. So basically, I took a course called Full Stack Development. The tutor assigned to us was Miss Mahira Banu. The staff were very friendly. If you have any doubts, you can ask them right away and they'll tell you without any hesitation. So this kind of environment in these days is really hard to find. So it will be very helpful for me to have this course as a background for my computer science masters. So it's a great coaching center. It's really nice. It's in a really nice place, and the faculty was very good.